Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're really well today and thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. It really means the world to me. I'm actually going to start a new series on my channel today, which is going to be the Living Alone in London Diaries. So I've been back on YouTube now for like 3-4 months, and when I came back, honestly I just didn't put any pressure on myself as to what I was going to upload, when I was going to upload, and to be honest, even if I was going to do it again properly, I just kind of thought, you know what, I'm just gonna upload a video and just see where it takes me again. I said to myself, if I do it for a couple of months and I'm not really enjoying it, I'm not gonna force myself to do it. However, I am absolutely loving being back on YouTube and social media, wholeheartedly loving it. I mean, I kind of thought that I would. Coming back, I did suspect that I would really love being back on YouTube again and making videos, but obviously, you know, a lot has happened in my life. A lot. I've been through a lot, and we grow and change so much in short spaces of time. So in the space of 3 years, obviously I have changed and grown as a person. Within the last 3 years, I've changed and grown and evolved so many times. Obviously you haven't even seen that because I've not been documenting it. Oh, hi. And of course, changing and growing and evolving, that's a part of life, and it's a beautiful part of life. You know, nothing in life ever stays the exact same, and that is one of the most beautiful, exciting things about life, and we should embrace that. But of course, I didn't know if this is what I want to do, but I've realized that it is, which is great, and I'm just sort of finding my feet again. I'm so grateful, honestly, for anyone who's watched any of my videos in the past few months, because I know that they are a little bit here, there and everywhere, which is a very true reflection of where I'm at right now, to be honest with you. And same with Instagram and stuff. I'm just sort of finding my feet with it all again. Even social media objectively has changed a lot since I was on it. You know, we've now got Instagram Reels and TikTok and all these things that didn't even exist 3 years ago. So I'm really trying to navigate all of that again. Anyway, really long-winded way of saying that I ultimately have just been sat doing a bit of brainstorming, a bit of self-reflection, and trying to sort of think about the content that I want to be sharing on my social media. And it all just keeps coming back to this thought in my head that just keeps saying, just be authentic, just be you. And that is quite honestly what I am going to do. So vlogging my life and weaving in all of the things that I love and that I'm passionate about, and all of the sort of things that are happening in my life and the journey that I'm on, it just really makes sense for my YouTube channel to be a reflection of that. I think YouTube has changed a lot. Obviously now we have these other things, but I do still hold a really special place in my heart with YouTube, because I do feel like it is a platform where I can really be me. You know, I'm not a very niche person. I have a scatterbrain, to be quite honest. I love so many different things, and one of the things that really stresses me out is that I don't have time to pursue all these different life paths that I want to. I have so many loves and passions and everything, so yeah, so the vlogs are gonna be random, I guess, because that's me. And I'm kind of gonna use this channel as a bit of a diary. Before we continue with the vlog, guys, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Lily Silk. I'm actually wearing one of their beautiful silk blouses right now. I do this shirt in so many different colours, but I never wear this kind of blue, so I just thought, you know what, for once I'm gonna pick something a little bit different, and I'm really glad I did. Lily Silk is a website where you can find loads of premium quality silk products. In particular, I absolutely love the pillowcases and the scrunchies. I wear the scrunchies all the time. I don't really like using any other hair bubble now, just because silk has so many amazing benefits for so many different things. In particular, for me, one of the things that I really love about it is how great it is for your hair, because I have quite unruly curly frizzy hair, believe it or not. It looks, actually I was gonna say it doesn't look frizzy right now, but it probably does, because it usually does. But if I don't use products and look after it and sort of style it in certain ways. My hair is so frizzy. They also have clothing items, of course. They have bedding sets, which are stunning, by the way, so luxurious. Mulberry Silk has loads of incredible benefits for your skin and your hair. It's so soft and smooth. It has anti-aging benefits, it absorbs moisture, it's breathable, it's sleep promoting. It really does have a list of endless benefits, but it also looks gorgeous. So, you know, you can't really go wrong. And Lily Silk has actually done some really cool collabs with some awesome celebrities. I would love to do a Lily Silk collab actually. So maybe I'll put that on the dream board. I will of course link everything below for you guys if you would like to check out Lily Silk and all of the products that I have got. And also if you use my code Jodie12, you will also get 12% off. So you're saving a little bit of money, and I think you will love the products because they are genuinely really gorgeous. And I hope to build my Lily Silk collection because now I don't want to use any other scrunchie or any other pillowcase. I have been spoiled. So the plan is I'm actually gonna head out for a walk now with my friend Caroline. It's actually a relatively nice day. I went out this morning for a run and it was beautiful, but there are a few clouds now. Bit concerning, but hopefully the rain holds off. Can I just say, April heat wave, where are you at? Because I ain't seeing no heat wave and BBC Weather is showing me no sign of it, so I am bitterly disappointed.
Well, I'm bitterly disappointed.
Guys, how cute are these trainers? I am totally obsessed with these trainers. They're such a cute colour. I don't know if they're in stock anymore, so I've actually had them a little while, but if they are, I will link them. Basically, my white ones were completely worn out to the point where they were giving me blisters because all the inside had worn away. Really sad times because I love Nike Air Force. Is that even what they are? I'm trying to be cool as if I know what I'm talking about when it comes to trainers. I really don't, but I think that's what they're called. Anyway, I spotted this colour and I thought, you know what? Let's just be a little bit different. So that's what we did. Wow guys, looking a little bit windswept, but when I've got back, I've seen that I have a parcel waiting for me, so let's see what's in it. Ooh, so it's from Creative Nature. I hope you and your followers will love our products as much as we do. Oh guys, 10% discount code. Oh wow, look at this. Chocolate chip muffin baking mix. Vegan, we love to see it. That looks delicious. Definitely gonna make those. We have these Norbles. These look like vegan Maltesers, which I am not mad about. And then we have this salted caramel protein bar. I thought I would just taste test. Not you! He's like, yeah, I'll taste test. Sorry, darling, these aren't for dogs. But I thought I would taste test this. So this is the salted caramel protein crunch. It smells very caramelly. This tastes like something I've had before. It's almost a bit flapjacky, actually. It's really good though, and it's a bit different to the protein bars that I usually eat. So it's nice to have a change. I really don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, guys, because honestly, around where I live is like a wind tunnel. It's so loud. And a lot of the time I try and voice note my friends and I can't until I get into Westfield because I literally cannot be heard. But anyway, the wind's okay right now, touch wood. I'm actually just going over to Westfield to get my nails done. They are growing out, and also one of them is just really chipped, so I'm gonna get these done. I've been holding off for quite a while, to be honest, trying to make them last. But I actually get gel nails now, I don't get acrylics. I got acrylics for literally over 10 years. Can you believe I started getting them when I was 13, 14, I think. There used to be a little nail salon next to where I used to dance, and now I just really like gels. Randomly, one day, I just decided to get them, and I really love them now. And I'm gonna get the same colour because I really like this colour. It's also called Milky Way, which I think is very cute. And I used to love Milky Ways before I was vegan. I also need to get some food in, actually. Probably pop into Waitrose or Sainsbury's or somewhere and pick up some bits so I can show you some bits that I get. I really want to talk more about my veganism and my vegan lifestyle and show you guys some of my favourite vegan foods. And I also really could do with a new pair of black leggings because I've got holes in all of mine and they're just kind of a staple, aren't they? But I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not because it is Saturday and it's going to be really busy in the shopping centre, so I might just want to go home. Look what we have. Oh my goodness. If somebody would like to buy me this vegan Easter egg, please do. By the way, if you've not tried Nomo, it's sensational. All of this stuff looks really good, but obviously this would be the one for me. Wow, we love a yellow sticker bit. Hopefully I can find something here that I will have. Oh, these look new. That looks good. Also, look at these. This is a new vegan brand that I've not seen before. They look cool. Oh! I don't know if they're vegan or not. Creatively cooking with backs, it must be. They have a relatively good vegan section in here, to be honest. I've not seen this brand before. Free from the sea. Just doesn't want to focus. There we go. Love these. So good for protein, by the way. 19 grams of protein in one burger. Amazing. Oh my god, I should really resist, but I really want to buy some Easter stuff. I want to get Noah one of these. Although I got him a bunny last year and he still loves it. Oh my god, how cute. How cute are they? Hello. I love cuddly toys. Very, very sad times in the dairy-free milk section. Right guys, I am home, so I just thought I would show you what I got in Waitrose. I didn't do like a full-on big shop or anything, but just got some bits that I needed to grab. We have some rice. I've not actually tried this one before, so I'm excited to give that a go. Veggies, so we've got this rocket salad, some courgette, some mushrooms and cucumber and some peppers and some fruit. So I got some strawberries and this raspberry and blueberry duo. These Richmond vegan meat-free sausages, which I really recommend. They're really, really good. Nando's sauce, I love this one. I am a lemon and herb girl, I'm not gonna lie. Don't like it too spicy. This Groovy Food spray oil thing. Some of this Alpro Greek style plain yogurt. This is really high in protein for a yogurt and it's really delicious. It's a thicker consistency than the normal one, obviously being Greek style. And then these I just randomly picked up, so I've not seen them before. So they are pretzels, sweet chili pretzel thins. I don't know, I just thought they looked quite nice. I'm actually gonna end the vlog here because we are gonna go to bed, basically. I'm gonna read. Am I? Or am I gonna go on TikTok? I think I'm lying to myself if I'm gonna read tonight, honestly. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the first video in my new series. We are gonna say goodnight, aren't we gorgeous? There will be another video, another installment very soon. I'm gonna definitely be uploading at least one a week, but possibly even more than that, just depending on, you know, how the week pans out. And also, obviously this has just been one day, but sometimes I might film a weekend or just a random few days, just depending really on what's going on and stuff. Oh, that's very sweet. He always puts his paws on my heart. It's actually really quite adorable. I can't cope with you. If you want to check out any of the Lily Silk products or get a discount using my code, then all of that will be in the description, as will be my links to my social media, as I am being very active on Instagram and TikTok, which is cool. I will see you very soon, guys. Loads and loads of love. I hope you have a beautiful day or beautiful sleep if you're watching this at night, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Bye.